The video is for all power supplies that can be mounted on the DIN rail. First of all, make sure that the main supply is switched off before working on the device. Second, remove connecting cables. There are two options. Option 1. With click lock, press the button above the device to unlock it. Now tilt the lower front part of the power supply unit diagonally upwards away and take it off. The power supply unit is now completely demounted. Option 2. With slotted screwdriver. Insert a slotted screwdriver into the groove of the unlocking slide and guide it away with the slotted screwdriver facing downwards. Now tilt the lower front part of the power supply unit away upwards at an angle and remove it. The power supply unit is now completely demounted. Thanks for watching. For more, check out our PULS channel or our website.